My name is Hilario Andreas Alexander III, and I'm going to do a presentation on the history of engines. This is the first steam engine from 1769. It's a military tractor invented by the French engineer and mechanic Nicolas Cugnot. It was used by the French army to haul artillery at speed of 2.5 miles per hour on 3 wheels. 2.5 miles per hour is about how fast humans walk, so they made this first steam engine going as fast as humans walk. They were in a war, so they had to, although this was like a very slow vehicle, they used it to haul things like weapons and other things like that. This is an electric vehicle, or EV. By definition, will use an electric motor for propulsion rather than being powered by a gasoline-powered motor. Besides the electric car, bikes, motorcycles, boats, airplanes, and trains have all been powered by electricity. Electric engines continued. From 1899 and the beginning of the 1900s were the high point of electric cars in America. One example was the 1902 Phaeton built by the Woods Motor Vehicle Company of Chicago, which had a range of 18 miles at top speed of 14 miles per hour and cost $2,000. Later in 1916, Wood invented a hybrid car that had both an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. The first gas-powered engine. The first gasoline car was invented in 1870 by Austrian inventor Siegfried Marcus. In 1873, George Brayton developed a 2-stroke kerosene engine. In 1885, it was Carl Benz who built his first gasoline car in Mannheim, Germany. The first 4-wheel driven gasoline powered car invented by Frederick William Lanchester, of Great Britain in 1895. Lanchester also patented the world's first electric starter along with the disc brake. Now I'm going to show you on the video on how engines work and what engines do. Hi! She did. She came in. Oh, congratulations again. Yeah. How you doing? Good. Yeah. Yes.
It's great. I need to watch the video.
Here, right?
Pause it.
Okay. This is the first video I'm going to be all year long.
So, tell me what you learned about engines.
Here you can see inside my portfolio that I have notes. So I learned during my notes that a jet engines are reaction engines. A jet engine concludes turbojets, turbofans, rockets, ramjets, and pulse jets. OS engines are Japanese model engines that are cooled. That's another one of them. And I have a picture here of where the motor is inside an engine, the shaft, and the turbine pump. The shaft is connected to the turbine pump, and there's a hole right inside the shaft because something inside the turbine pump goes inside and comes out the hole. I also learned that spark plugs are powers to the engine. All sorts of plane engines or boat engines were found in the sea because of crash, explosions, and all kinds of other things. And that's all I have for you today.
Thank you.